This is it. The Amazon Echo frames. Amazon Echo frames. Just picked them up. Amazon Echo frames. Nice. Looks like a soft touch box. Just like the Razor. Yep. Soft touch box. Nice premium feel. Nice blue inside. This texture is like a rubber premium feel. Very nice. Wow. These are cool. Very light. I guess that's a charge sensor. You're the first to see. Doesn't say Amazon on the sides or nothing. The temples, the front and the sides are like a shiny black, but the temple tip here is like a tortoise or brownish color. They call it tortoise, but this is the only part that's adjustable to it. Alright, so there you go. There's the insignia Echo frames on the inside. Here's my size. Yeah, 5418 or 45 temple length. That's it. Amazon Echo frames. No prescription. I have to get that filled. Peace.